Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Season A1, Episode 13, Holiday Greetings. What are you doing? What are you Googling?
I'm not Googling.
What are you doing?
I'm thinking about what are we going to talk about this month. Yay!
We are recording.
We are recording. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so I'll write it later. Now let's talk about...
The holiday season. The happiest time of the year.
As our son knows the only song in English.
Christmas, yes, that's him. So, today is going to be short, painless, and it's just how...
Introduction to Christmas time.
Yes. So that's how we say stuff to people. How we, not greetings, but how you say, Maria. And the word is running away from my head. The
Pleasantries.
kind of.
When do you start it?
When do we start?
Yeah. Because I know we started as crazy people, like somewhere in the middle of
Actually,
October.
Well, that's another stuff. When does Christmas start? I think it starts after the summer sales.
Yes, I do remember. Seeing Christmas tree, like a carton cutout Christmas tree, somewhere in October.
Well,
yeah, that's
actually-
crazy in Portugal.
Actually, I remember there used to be a way to go to my grandma, that we go through the small villages and stuff. A pain in the ass to go because like all these tiny roads. And there was a shop that one year decided to put a huge Santa Claus in the shop. So but the shop, it turned out that the shop doesn't have money to take it off and put it on for the next year. So it's always there, a huge Santa Claus. And the next time we'll be in Portugal, we have to drive there. There's always a Santa Claus on that
I
shop.
saw it.
Yeah, because it's like
We pass it there. We pass there always. no?
Yes, not always. Sometimes when it's traffic and I want to go from some other way, and there's always a Santa Claus.
Yeah.
And when I was a kid, I put it on and took it off, and it was like, "Oh, Christmas is coming!" And then there's like no money to do this, put it on and take it off. So they just decided to leave it forever.
Yeah. So in shops it starts around middle of October, I think.
Yeah.
Well,
they
but what
kinda-
about people? Like, when do they start to?
When do they
say
start? Okay, so
things?
Portuguese people, I am included on this, despite the fact that this year we are not following what the law tells us to do. It is 1st of December.
Yes.
And we are on the 2nd of December.
And we don't have Christmas tree.
I know.
Ugh.
Don't say it out loud.
It will
So,
be this week anyway.
I hope so. So, that's what we do. 1st of December, we start to do this. And then, we spend the whole month wishing people, Merry Christmas and so on and a Happy New Year.
So it's reserved more or less for
December, yes. So,
Okay, so what you say?
okay. No, that's my question to you. I know what we say. I want to know if you know what we say.
Well, I think you don't have much, but the most popular are Feliz Natal,
Feliz Natal.
which is Merry Christmas,
Yes.
and Boas Festas, Happy Holidays,
Yes.
Good Holidays.
Boas Festas, yeah. And Bom Ano Novo. Happy New Year.
Yeah, but that's for New Year.
Well, we consider that Ano Novo, it's part of the holidays,
Yeah, but I think that you start a bit later, no? Like,
Yeah, that we can always say.
Closer to
No,
Christmas
but
only.
actually, when you meet people at this time of the year, and you don't know if you'll meet them again, you say Feliz Natal e Bom Ano Novo. Actually, we say Boas Entradas. Have good entrances. Yeah, it doesn't make sense when you translate, but it's like that you enter with
The
the
new
right
year.
foot
Yeah.
on the New Year. Yeah.
yeah, you say less often. You say have a good Christmas, Merry Christmas, and prosper New Year.
Yeah, Feliz Natal e Bom Ano Novo. Yeah, that's the the best that I can tell you. That's the most common.
What about Feliz Navidad? I heard that a few times. You don't use that in Portugal.
Yeah, we do that when we cross the border. Or when you're singing the song.
Yes, but some people will not comment on it. They want to be so nice to the to the tourists that when someone says Feliz Navidad in Spanish, they're like, yeah, it's not this country, but okay.
It happened to me in Poland. That I said like, oh, I'm Portuguese, and like, oh, gracias. I was like, going to set someone on fire. So yes, this is the first episode. Now you know how to do this. Say Feliz Natal e Bom Ano Novo, or Boas Entradas, or we actually say something funny that we say that the best of this year, we wish you that the best of this year will be the worst of next year. That que o melhor deste ano seja o pior do próximo ano.
Okay, could be.
Yeah, could be. Yeah, could be. That's what we say. It's not a could be. It is what it is. So yes. So if you have any question about this subject, how to say some stuff, leave a comment below.
Yeah, we are going to talk about food, probably.
Food probably. And I want to talk about how we actually, the dynamic of Christmas.
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Can't
So
wait.
if you want to sign up for group classes or individual classes, where you can go?
To our website. It's called Iberian School and it's somewhere in the description.
Okay. See ya.
Bye.